Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome. If I uploaded this video after Mother's Day, I would like to apologize. But for me, it's better late than never. We're going to have a giveaway for Mother's Day. And to all the mothers out there, I applaud you. You are the ultimate hero. I'm so excited. I'm going to share this with you. I've been saving these goodies for Mother's Day. So let's talk about it. If you want to join our giveaways, links will be detailed on the description down below. First up, I'm going to give away these two here from Kiss Cosmetics. This is the Gel Fantasy Nail, and this one here is the Everlasting French Nail. Also, I'm going to throw in some skincare products, you guys. I know you're gonna love this. I'm going to give away these products from Tarte Cosmetics, and this one here is the Mermaid Skin Serum. Of course, our winner will receive this Rainforest of the Sea Cleansing Gel. And also, I'm going to throw in this setting spray from Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Stay Spray. Of course, after cleansing and serum, you have to lock in the moisture using the Tarte Cosmetics Moisturizing Cream, and this is the Drink H2O. Also, I'm going to throw in exfoliator from Gold Paden MD, and then not sheet mask but a face mask. This is a wash up face mask, and this one is the I Do Care Disco Kitten. And then of course, I'm going to throw in some sheet mask. One of the good thing that you can do on your skin to put on sheet mask at least once a week. These are all K-Beauty, and I know you're gonna love it. And then of course, I'm going to throw in some body exfoliator. Lashes is life. So I'm going to throw in 3 pairs of lashes, different brand. One from AOA, one of my favorite eyelashes, and then Dollar Lash Club. And this one is my current favorite from Ardell. This is the Naked Lashes. The box is not complete without eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to throw in these two here. And you know what? I don't know. I didn't upload my unboxing last month. I hope I can do this month. This is the one that I got from Ipsy Plus. And this is the Shaina B Miami eyeshadow palette. It is sealed, so I never swatch it. It is clean. And then of course, I'm going to throw in this one from Iconic London. This lippy is from Jules Smith. This is very spring summer vibes, and I know you're gonna love this. So I'm going to put this in my giveaway too. I'm going to throw in one from Kiate London. This is the Everyday Bake Setting Powder. Bought this goodies from Ipsy. This is one of my favorite items. I bought 2 sets of Gigi Gorgeous, and I got hooked with the setting powder and the bronzer. Let me show it to you. Okay, these are my favorite Gigi Gorgeous makeup line. I love the bronzer. I know I'm going to hit pan on this. I love using this on my eyelid as well. So it's a multitasking bronzer. I love the setting powder. It is so silky. So I'm going to throw in some of Gigi Gorgeous makeup products. And this consists of setting powder, bronzer, blush duo, highlighter. I'm going to throw in liquid highlighter, lip gloss, and lip balm. I'm so excited. Last but not the least, I'm going to throw in this one from Real Technique, and this is the Eyes and Face Brush Set. And also, I'm going to throw in this one. This is good for traveling. I hope you like our video for today. If you want to join this giveaway, you must be an active subscriber to my channel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you, and stay beautiful, stay safe. Mwah.